Yes, student. Second question from exercise 1.3 first chapter. What is given second question? Without performing division, state whether the following rational numbers will have terminating decimal form or non-terminating repeating decimal form. So without doing division, in first Roman with a division, but in second Roman without doing division. How can we do this one? One formula is there. If the denominator is in the form of 2 power m or 2 power n, 5 power m. If the denominator is in the form like this, means in the denominator prime factors only 2 and 5. If like that denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then it is a terminating decimal. If the denominator is not in the form like this, then it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Let us check the these denominators whether they are in the form of 2 power n and 5 power m. So 3125 means 3125. Check this one, 3125. It is 5 divisible with 5. 5 6 5 2 ja 5 5 ja. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 5 5 ja. Next 5 2 ja 5 5 ja. Next 5 5 ja. What it means? How can we write 1 2 3 4 5? We can write this one is 5 power 5. Is it in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n or 2 power n into 5 power m? This is, we can write here 2 power 0 also. That's why the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. That's why this one is terminating decimal. This one is terminating decimal. Is it understood? If the denominator is 5 power n, then you can add 2 power 0. If the denominator is 2 power 5 or 2 power 10, then you can write 5 power 0. So what it means here, remember one thing, denominator must have 2 and 5 or 2 or 5 only. Okay. Now here 5 power 5 into 2 power 0. We can write 2 power 0. What is 2 power 0 value? 1. That's why we can write 5 power 5 into 1. 5 power 5 only. Okay, let us check this one, 12. 12. It is even number, so divisible with 6. 2 6 ja, 2. 2 6 ja 12. Next 2 3 ja 6. Remember that you should write only prime factorization, not other. You cannot divide with directly 4. 4 3 ja 12. But 4 is not a prime number. That's why you should take only prime numbers. This 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. Is it in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m? 2 and 5. Other than 2 and 5, 3 also comes here. That's why this is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. That's why this one is non-terminating. And repeating. Understood? In the denominator, 5 prime factorization, when you do the prime factorization of denominator, there must only 2 and 5. Other than 2 and 5, other factor also there, other prime number also there, then that one is non-terminating repeating. Only 2 is there, then terminating. Only 5 is there, that time also terminating. By the combining 2 and 5 are there in the denominator, prime factorization of denominator, then that time also terminating. What it means? In the denominator of every fraction, 2 or 5 or 2 into 5, 2 power n into 5 power m. That one is the terminating. Other than that one, it is non-terminating repeating. Now let us check this one, 455. 455. This is divisible with 5. Why? Because 5 is there. 5 9s, 5 1s. Next 91. How can we write? We can divide with 7 only. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. Why? How can we write this one? 5 into 7 into 13. But here 7 into 13 also comes. That's why this one is non-terminating. Repeating. Yes, now this one 1600. How can we write this 1600? Two eights 0, next to 2 fours 0 0, next to 2 twos, next to 2 into 100, next to 2 50s, 2 25s, next 5 5s. Here we can write into 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 power 6 into 5 2 5s are there, 2 power 5 power 2 or 5 square. So this one is terminating. Now 343. This one is divisible only with 7. So we can write this 343 into 343 into 7 cube. So this one is non-terminating. And repeating. Let us check this one. Already this one is in the form of this one. So denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So this one is terminating. Now check out this one. This denominator 2 power n into 5 power n, other factor also there. That's why this one is non-terminating. And repeating. 15. We can write 15 into, how can we write 15? 3 5s 15. Here other factor also comes, so that's why non-terminating, repeating. And then 100. 100, how can we write 100? 100. 2 5 ja, 2 25 ja, 5 5 ja. Means we can write this 100 into 2 square into 5 square. So this one is terminating. And then 2 power 210. 2 1 ja 2, 0 2 5s. Next it is divisible with 5 also. 5 2 ja, 5 1 ja. Next 3 7 ja. So 210 can be written as 2 into 5 into 3 into 7. 3 into 7 also comes, so that's why this one is non-terminating. And repeating. This is our second Roman in exercise 1.3.